Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. Today I'll be sharing with you this Garmin dash cam mini that I purchased from eBay, and it is a refurbished dash camera. And I purchased this dash camera because I deliver food as a side job with DoorDash and Bite Squad, different companies shipped, and I thought it would be helpful to have this in case I'm ever, God forbid, in a car accident or have any issue like that. And I think that it will definitely help with that, and also just for safety to see what's going on and record if anything happens, anyone tries to break into my car or harm me or anything like that. And this is the Dashcam Mini 010-02-062-00. I purchased it directly from Garmin, and it attaches right to the windshield of your vehicle. I'm going to open it up here and continue talking about the Dashcam. Let's see here. This looks like part of the camera here. And we have the instructions, of course, everything from Garmin. We have the chargers. And it looks like it plugs in here to a 12 volt, which is good. My car has that. It has 2 USB spots. And it also has this here. So, after I've installed this dash cam and get it working and everything, I will do another updated review and also show some footage so you can see the quality of the video that this dash cam takes. I hope that if you're in the market for a dash cam, this one runs about $80 refurbished from Garmin. And if you're in the market for this type of product for safety, law enforcement, food delivery, etc., I would recommend this product, and I hope that this video helped. Thank you. Have a great day.